I know some people have been complaining about, like, once they make the bird base, they can't figure out how to fold it, like, up. They're just trying to go like this. But what you have to do is open it and fold this up. Close it. Open up this side. Fold it up. Close it. And to make the head, you just fold this part down. That. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. Down. And you're not gonna want to fold the wings like straight down like that. You're gonna want to like fold them at an angle with the tip of the wing pointed towards the head, like that. Not just like down. That's how you do it for just the regular crane. But this is the flapping birds like that. You pull it. And other people I've seen complain about how they can't get it to move once they go like this. Either they're going like this. Once you make it, you can't do it right then. You just gotta fold it up. And it should work. Subscribe.